Oh yeah, delicious frog legs. We stopped for a meal on our way to going camping. And now we're gonna do the thing where we watch Andy eat.
That's not really.
All right, well, we have arrived at our campsite that we have picked out for the evening. It was a hot day today, but it is so beautiful out tonight. The temperatures have come down. It's a clear sky, basically a full moon. It's awesome. Got my setup here behind me. Andy's in the hammock in the woods. Too dark to really show you, so you've seen this hammock. And for those who haven't, maybe I'll show you tomorrow. All right. Anyways, we've got a nice fire going here. We're just relaxing by the fire. It's too hot to get close, but it's nice ambiance. So we've cleared away the leaves, obviously, and I'm using one of these raised fire pits because it's very leafy around here. So we don't want to be contributing to any more fires. Say hi, Andy.
Hi, Andy.
Okay. This is really nuts. All of a sudden, there's these bunch of hounds barking. They were off in the distance, but they got really close to us. Like we heard them walk. We heard movement through the woods out here. I had to put Murdoch in the car because I don't want him getting hurt or anything. I don't know what's going on. I'm not sure if they're tracking something, but now they're split off. We've got hounds come from that direction, sounds barking, and over there. What did you? Could you tell?
You could hear it.
I know we could hear it.
Hear it through the leaves and stuff.
What do you think that's what they're hunting?
I don't know if it was what they were hunting or one of them.
I could have sworn I saw something moving, but like not like trees or bushes moving. You didn't see anything when you had the light on?
I didn't see anything.
Damn, because that was so close.
Dude, so close. If there's dogs, there's got to be people.
Well, unless true. I mean, you'd think. So you think there's two different packs?
What are they tracking?
It's not even hunting season, right?
Not that I know of.
Like, there's nothing in season right now. Down over there. They're like literally circling us. There, there, and there. Three different spots around us. Right? What is that? That doesn't sound like a...
No.
Wish I got the camera going sooner when that thing was walking by. I think whatever walked near us might be what they're after.
Could be. What it was?
Murdoch was growling at it.
Yeah, it was that close.
Yeah. What's this thing? Yeah, something shiny.
truck or something. Huh? That's so funny.
This is all buried too. That's gotta be what they're hunting in, right? Are they killing it? Or is it trying to find it?
Could be just tracking.
Huh?
Bobcat out here watching it.
Maybe. That's crazy. It was so close to us.
Nuts.
I think what walked by us might be what they were tracking. Because, I mean, I don't know. I guess a hound with its nose down. That's nuts. Well, good morning. I slept wonderful. The temperature dropped to, I don't know, somewhere in the 60s, and with all the screens open, all the windows open on my tent there, it was just amazing. And I could see the moon, nice full moon from my bed. Stars were out, just awesome. We'll be getting packed up here in just a bit, and we're going to go ahead and explore around, try and find some new territory. And it's going to be pretty hot today, so if we find some water, we might go swimming. And we'll see what else we get up to. You want to look at it first?
Dude, I watched you go in and I was mad. I'm gonna drag bottom at this angle, so it'll want to pull me this way. So I'm gonna have to hit it right. If I hit it at the side at all,
Right.
it's gonna slip off it and go
Right.
to the side of the fucking truck.
Well, that's why I'm going to guide you. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You're right at the stump. Okay. Straighten just a little bit. All right. Now a little less. All right. Keep coming. Keep coming. Yeah, you're clear. Keep going. Go a little right. Yep, keep going. Go left. Okay. You're right at the stump again. Just go ahead and go up over it. And you're pretty much we'll be past it now. Oh, all right, I'll give you a tug from here.
There it went.
Yep. That's all right. Well, actually, now that you're not going over that.
No, and I didn't completely fall into this.
No, so yeah, come forward.
Might be able to.
Turn that way. Yeah, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. All right, I'm gonna hop in. Oh.
I hear it.
Yeah. You got a nice plastic skid plate under here. So, I mean, honestly, we could probably really beat on this. It'll be good.
Wish
with that plastic skid plate. It goes like the whole length.
Does it?
Yeah.
Nice.
That's not. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. They thought of everything.
Good time.
We're at Mini Lake because it's a mini lake. Just stopped for a bite to eat. Just had some sandwiches. Here's another frog over here. Oh, gross, Murdoch. Not even like a good spot to drink from. We came through here, went just fine, but now coming back it's a little bit steeper from the reverse direction, and Andy may be a little bit high centered, but we're working it, or he's working it. Oh yeah, look at that little thing go.
I don't like this.
Try going forward a little bit. No.
Stuck back in, isn't it?
Yeah.
What do you think? You think I'll get through it?
Like if you back up and if you get some speed, you'll get through it.
Straight through it.
I do it with some speed, yeah. All right, we are at our final campsite for this trip. I didn't do much recording after a certain point today because I got a horrible migraine, and yeah, so I basically was needing to take a nap for a while. But we're here now, got a fire going, and we're just relaxing. Wood's almost gone. Andy had burgers for dinner, or a burger. I opted out. So, but all right, well, I'll check back in the morning. All right, well, we're getting tucked in for bed because of my migraine, and this is a bad one. I didn't even want to get the rooftop tent set up, which, you know, not exactly hard to do. So so I'm bunking with Murdoch tonight. Isn't that right, Murdy? Oh, he's adjusting. It's a little bit of a tight fit, but we'll make it work. Once we get settled in, we actually fit pretty well. All right, well, I'm gonna get settled in here and go to bed. See you guys in the morning. It was a rough night for me. This is a bad migraine. It's just not going away, so I really need to remember my medicine. So next time, definitely won't be forgetting it. And thanks for joining me. I'll see you guys on the next adventure.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
I said like and subscribe, Al's an idiot.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and
Oh,
subscribe.
wait, nope, wasn't pointing at you.
Like and subscribe.
One more time.
Like and subscribe.
Nope, still didn't get it.
Okay. Like and then subscribe.